Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, and today is day one of trading until I can get my first funded account. And today's trade, I caught it during London session and it ended up stopping me out at break even. And this trade, I think this trade I would have made some profits off of this trade, but I got greedy and I decided to hold it. I decided to hold that trade, which was a very bad decision, but at the end of the day, at least I learned something from this trade. And yeah, let's go into that trade recap. So starting off from the 1 hour time frame, so I opened markets and saw that price had swept out this high right here. This candle had swept out this previous high right here. So I wanted to see a downtrend after the sweep of this swing high right here. So I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame. So I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to see my entry, to look for my entry, which was right around it was right around here, this swing low right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it was right around there at this swing low. And price from the market broke that swing low, forming a market structure shift, left behind a fair value gap. Then I put my entry at the high of this candle right here, candle number 3. I put my entry right here because this candle we had already formed the gap before breaking the structure. So that was like an indicator that the trend will hold on. So I decided to put my entry right here, and price tagged me in, first dropped down, tapped into my break-even point. The reason why I was saying that I would have made money today is because this break-even point was a 1 hour fair value gap. As you can see, this very small fair value gap. And I forgot the most important rule while trading fair value gaps is that it doesn't matter. Fair value gaps hold very high significance. It doesn't matter on their size or anything. Even if it's big or small, that fair value gap will hold that trend. So in this current situation, I thought that this fair value gap, because it was small, I didn't think that it would hold. And at first I put my take profit right here, but it was a negative risk to reward. That's the main reason why I didn't want to put my take profit. I wanted to gain more today because of the previous losses. It was a negative risk to reward. Let me show you guys. It was a negative RR trade. It was going to be a negative RR trade. That's why I never wanted to put my TP right here. And I think that's I was risking 10 pips. Yeah, I was risking 10 pips. So that would have been the trade at 0.9 risk to reward, which is really small. And I didn't want to hold that trade, but I should have held it. I should have held the trade because I just don't know why, but I didn't want to hold that trade. I got greedy, and yeah, I got what I deserved. But it was a super clean trade. Everything played out exactly as I analyzed my markets, because we are currently respecting the hourly gap, and I also use hourly gaps as a very strong high time frame draw on liquidity, or POI, which is really good to see that my strategies concepts are playing out in real time, and I really do like it. So yeah, that was a trade. I went break even after taking out this low. As you can, I'm going to leave the live execution in this video right here at the end of the video. So as you can see, the trade went like that, which was really disappointing, but yeah, it is what it is. And I hope to catch more bigger and better trades in this challenge. This is day one. First day, it's a break even. First day of the month, it's a break even. Not a very good start, not a very good, not a very bad start, but I hope that I will improve in the long run, and hopefully finish this challenge with a funded account. So for now, I'd like to say goodbye to you all and see you in the next video. Peace.